think I fixed it. Now we're just gonna see what we've got here.
Yeah, we did.
What did you do?
I engineered an elegant long-term solution. God damn it.
Way to go, Mae. Please don't fix anything ever again. Like, don't even have a pet. Anything you have to maintain.
Ah, freaking crap. It was totally gonna work. It's so typical.
I'm gonna go check the exit. Wait here. Yeah, she locked him in. Damn it. Well, we're locked in. Like, I knew this was gonna happen. Stupid, stupid Bay.
We can cut a hole in the floor.
With what?
Maybe she's an old saw down here.
And we're gonna what? Build a heap of garbage to stand on? It's a circle on the floor? Like a cartoon?
Well, not with that attitude.
Well, this knob is really old and loose. Maybe I can, like, figure this out. The bat.
I'll look around too.
Yeah, you go look around a whole bunch.
Still no.
Wow.
Wow, my
I
lights
thought for
just
sure.
flickered.
Oh boy.
One thing she could hear is this furnace. When it was broken. Or when things need to be broken. Give me back, give me back, give me back, give me back, give me back. Yes.
Yes.
Well, this one tool I don't know how to use. I do know how to use. A tool for beating ass. No, I can't swing it at bay. Whee! Nope. Okay. Anything? Nope. Even though there's a light shining down.
Right.
Hiya! Oh shit. Ah! Sucky, you piece of crap furnace.
Wow, that is pretty loud.
Ah, jeez.
Surprised I could hear that back in town. Okay, cool, she's coming, thank God.
I think me more like.
Hey, Miss Miranda, you locked us in.
Well, that was fun.
Uh-huh.
You alright? She gave us lemonade.
Yeah.
It's such a nice night out.
Lovely.
Then what's up?
Nothing, just tired. Worked all day.
I'm all hyper.
Good for you.
You are zero fun.
Yup.
You need, like, some magical shit to, like, give you a new perspective.
Let me know when that happens. Wouldn't want to miss it.
Fireflies! Oh, that is a windmill.
Damn.
Whoops. God damn it. Can I not get on that tiny one? No, there we go. Ah.
Wow. Ha ha ha. Are you like a firefly whisperer or something?
They just like me, I guess.
That's... You're an interesting person.
No, Miss Miranda is an interesting person. She like mummified a dude.
Okay, you're being more benign interesting.
Woohoo!
You know, I have to say this would have been a much less exciting evening if you weren't along for the ride.
Along for the ride. I believe I worked pretty damn hard down there. Should get a cut of the bill.
Not a chance. You're an unpaid intern.
Thank you for it right here and now.
You should, like, channel that aggression you always have into something useful.
Yeah, Dr. Hag said way back I needed to repress it.
Repress, not like learn to deal with it.
He specifically said repress.
Okay,
So do you think like Miss Miranda like pulled her husband's guts out? Isn't that what you do for mummies?
I don't know, Mae.
Think you'd have the stomach for it?
Nope.
I probably took a lot of heart.
Yep.
Wish you would explain it to us.
I get it, Mae.
She really wrecked him.
Okay, that probably stayed in place.
Yeah, that should stay where it belongs.
I'm leaving.
Hey, you gotta live your life.
Bye. This is me gone.
Hey, wait up.
You're walking back to town.
You've got a lot of gall to say that.
I'm calling the cops.
How's work?
You know, better than the glass factory.
Is it?
I've ran machines, but now I get to slice steaks. Hawk salamis. I mean, it's easier on the back, that's for sure.
But like, do you like it?
I like having a paycheck.
Fair.
Paycheck's the sweetest meats of all. What'd you do tonight?
Oh, you know, stuff. Tired. Feel like I just did a day's work.
You know, there are places you can get paid for work these days.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they call it working.
You kids and your slang.
Slang you could pick up at work.
Oh yes, point made. What about those boxes I asked about in the crawl space?
I'm thinking about it. Watch some TV with me?
Do we want to watch TV?
I'm guessing that's how you get him to do it. You just keep watching TV with him. Perfect timing. Garbo and Malloy is starting.
Oh, yes.
Ah, yeah.
You know, we like to get political here.
Gotta do it. Gotta.
You hear about this new law on the books? Pirating a movie online, you know about that?
I do.
Punishable by up to 10 years in prison.
Wow, and I've been trying to get in the hard way.
He has, folks.
Wonder if pirating a movie about first-degree murder earns you more prison respect than one about grand larceny.
Hey, Malloy, you know what I think about that law?
What, Garbo?
That's a whopper.
Coming up next, stupid sandwiches.
Up we go. Nope, nope. Up we go. There's stuff back there. Come on. Hey, that was fun. Let's do it again sometime.
You're pretty handy when it comes to breaking stuff.
I'm sure there's a job in there somewhere.
Yeah, it's called demolition. You can actually get a job doing that.
Holy shit, I found my calling.
I'm glad I could help facilitate this. Also, I looked up people who attract insects. Seems to come down to a lot of heat and various odors.
They can't get enough of this.
I guess not. Good night, May.
Night.
Hey, punk, what you do tonight?
Got trapped in a basement. Beat up a furnace.
Right on, man. Night, night.
Bedtime? Yes. Oop, more dreaming.
Woo.
Oh, that's just a way back up. Okay. Nope, just the abyss over there. Now I have to get back to the pillars.
Giant squirrel of doom. Oh, there we go. Hey, boyo.
Was it not updating for you?
I was stuck at work all day. Very bored. Work sucks. Craft Falcon more like it. Hey. Got a call from Mrs. Miranda. Apparently she's upset that we messed up her basement. Whatever, she didn't pay us to clean it up. I'm at work all day. Just saying, if you want to say hello, I'm here to be helloed at.
Yawn.
Morning, long night.
Yeah. Went to work with Bay.
Oh, are you gonna work there?
No, Mom, I was just tagging along. Though I was like really useful. It was a new and exciting feeling. Mm-hmm. You okay?
Yeah, I just been doing boring adult stuff.
What kind of adult stuff? I'm adult stuff.
Just like budget, bills, numbers. A lot of adulthood is number stress.
That sounds bad. I'm bad at numbers.
Oh, I remember.
Well, I'm gonna head out.
Mm-hmm.
Have a nice day. Bye, Mom. Holy, what's up, Smelmers?
You know what's good?
Off the top of my head? Not bleeding on your seat in junior high?
I was gonna say those fruit snack thingies we used to eat in grade school.
Alright, yeah, those are really good.
Did that other thing happen to you?
Nope.
Want to hear a new poem?
Sure.
Sometimes I like fruit snacks. Out by the train tracks.
Decent.
a juice box, and headphones. I enter the juice zone.
Geez, those are like all I want now. You made them sound so real. I can taste the atomic dino snacks in the blue clear squeezer.
Thanks.
Oop.
Wave long gone, kids don't care. Tunnel fish are always there.
Yeah, man.
Oh God, please don't listen. Oh, hello.
Hey, it's May.
I remember old clock upstairs ain't stopped yet.
What did you want to tell me about Granddad?
I'll only say if you really want to know.
Is it scandalous?
Oh, I don't think so. I'm old enough that nothing feels scandalous anyway.
Is that a thing that happens when you get old?
It depends on the life you led.
Okay, anyway.
You got a history of troublemakers in your family. On your dad's side in particular.
Oh?
Go back far enough, you got folks that were around for the real hard times. When the workers went up against armies.
Oh yeah, I kind of remember something about that. Great-great-great-great-grandpa or whatever. Might have gotten the number of greats wrong there.
Your grandfather and I weren't around for a lot of the violence. That was before even our time. Nah, we were around to watch the tide roll out.
And?
We need to talk again another time. I get tired.
Oh, okay. Can I get you anything? I don't have any money.
Nah, I'm just fine, mate. We'll talk another time.
Okay, see ya. Hey, CJ?
Yeah?
You were like in high school when I was in middle school.
Oh, huh. Did I know you?
Used to play nerd games with Tom Bramwell across the street from my house.
Ah, nerd games. That's quite a memory you got there.
Do you live here anymore?
Nah, just back visiting.
For nerd games?
They were like pen and paper role-playing stuff.
Cool.
But no, I'm just visiting family. Husband's driving down tomorrow.
What do you do now?
Lawyer.
Oh wow. Can I ask you some law stuff?
Well, I'm not acting in a professional capacity. But yeah, sure.
What's the best way to get out of jail?
Well, it depends on the situation, you see.
Like, would you dig through a wall or like attack a guard and take their pants and identity? Or like, I don't know, just cause a riot or something.
Huh.
What's the best prison gang? Like, if you had to pick.
You know, we don't really learn that kind of stuff in law school.
What is the point of going to college if you don't learn useful shit?
Laws are pretty useful.
Useful my ass, CJ. Bye. Sorry, welcome back and have a nice visit.
Yeah, see ya.
Uh-oh.
He's very nice.
Yeah, and he
Yeah,
can be like the first. Go ahead.
No, go ahead.
A trial run.
Where would you put him?
Oh, in the basement? Or in the old library?
With all the books?
Not going to eat them.
Interesting proposal, Kate. Yes, thank you for bringing this to us.
I look forward to us moving forward together on this.
It will be brought up at the town council meeting.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Alright, troops, move out. How's things?
Hang on, taking a sip of tea.
Oh, you're good.
Okay, weird dreams.
Want to talk about it?
Not really.
I dreamed I was trapped in a wall.
Jeez.
No, it was fine. I knew the rescue crew was coming in a few hours. It was cozy. So I could take a nap, guilt free.
You feel guilty about naps?
Wish I didn't.
What's the whole thing with Bruce gone?
I'm hopeful and positive.
That sounds like what someone says when they're not.
Ha ha ha. It's fine, May. It's going fine.
Alright then. Hey, Mom.
Can't talk today. Lots to do.
Really? What could possibly be going on?
Well, sweetie, we have the town council here today. And after that, a 12-step program meeting in the basement.
Oh, wow.
And I'm doing both church budget and our budget at the same time.
I'll leave you alone then.
Thanks, son.
Oh, where's
Oh.
Bruce? Is he just further back onto the scary cliff? Yes, he is.
See a fire through the trees last night. Past these woods here. Weird noises. I just kept to myself. And they went away.
That sounds spooky.
Been around a lot of places. Ain't spooked by much. But out past that water tower.
Yeah, that's a place where teens hang out.
Let's hope that's all it was. In my experience. Strange fire and strange voices. Ain't never been good.
I wonder if they'll be back.
Hope not.
Running, running, running. Hey, May. Hey, Angus, how's Videoland? Good, good. Start of the Halloween rush. Got a pretty good horror section. Nice. You got a favorite? What, horror movie? Yeah. Scythe Sabbath. Ooh, Italian. And they don't mess around. Pretty colors. Pretty everything. Well, see you later. Bye.
Hey, hey, hey!
Hi!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Whoa, what's up with you?
I want to do something.
Okay, wow. You drink like all the coffee?
I can't have coffee, makes me anxious.
Oh wow, that sucks.
And it tastes gross.
If it's mostly milk and sugar.
Seems like a lot of hassle to make something gross taste okay.
Good point.
So, dude. You want to do something?
Yeah, man, let's go.
Woo! Wow.
Look at us go. What, is this just gonna continue? Oh, no, here we go.
What the hell are you even, like, what are they, like, picking you?
I don't know.
Gesundheit.
Thank you.
It's not like your head exploded.
Kinda did. I bit my tongue.
Ow. No, it's like a kit you can get off the internet. Jeremy put it together.
So, it's a motorcycle now?
No, it's like a motorized bike thing. It's different.
Why don't you just get a dirt bike again?
I'm an adult now. I ride a bike.
So, like, where are we?
The woods.
Alright.
Doom.
Log bridge to Valhalla!
Cross and die, mortal.
This log is gonna snap and we're gonna break our legs. And have to crawl back into town.
Or die of, like, bears and cold.
Remember when we used to knife fight?
Yeah.
we'd go home with like cuts all over our hands. So dumb.
Well, I
What?
got knives right now. Just saying.
Holy shit, yeah, you're on.
First who wuss out 3 times loses.
Come and get cut, Gregor.
Say goodbye to your fingers.